Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adiola Oluwaseun. Welcome to my backyard farming. Are you interested in backyard farming? Or you're a single mother, you're looking for how to start something and you don't know how? Yes, I'm here to introduce you to backyard poultry farming. Or are you a stay-at-home mom? You have other side also, but you're still thinking of how to just make use of your compound, you don't know how. Then you're in the right place. Or you're a mother that you're just so overwhelmed with the market price of protein, you don't know how to go about it. Yes, I'm here to encourage you on how to start your backyard farming. So you're in the right place. Please like, subscribe, and comment, because this page will be so mind-blowing, because you're going to be learning a lot about your backyard poultry farming. Thank you. What are the things you need for your backyard poultry farming? Yes, I'm here to show you. Number one, housing system. You need a house to keep your hen, your chicken. This is my cage at my backyard. You can see how big it is. For this cage, this is where their droppings is being stored. Immediately it's coming out from them, this is where it gets to. Reason being that there is a net here where your chicken will stand, and once the dropping is coming out, it goes directly into this space. This space is a drawer being laid with a sawdust. In order to be able to absorb the poo and any form of water. Then after you have, this is the housing space for your chicken. But as far as this cage is concerned, it's very big. It won't be good for you to brood them at day old. Now, here comes the brooding cage. This is the brooding cage for my chicken. When they come as a day old, this is where we keep them. After thorough cleaning and thorough sanctification, this is where we put our chicken. Yes, this place, this chicken brooder doesn't have a net here because their feet is not yet strong. So in other words, we laid the brooding cage with a newspaper. You can see how it is. You can see the way the brooding cage is less of net, more of zinc for your backyard farming. More of zinc and less of net, because at this stage of their life, they need to feel warm, very warm. They don't need any cold at all. So this is the housing for them. Now, number two thing you need for your backyard farming is this. You need a feeder. This is called a feeder. This is where we put their food in order for them to have access to it at day old. At day old, with this type of feeder, they can have access to their feed easily. They don't need to open their eyes too much before they can see this feed. As for me, I use this type of feeder to feed my chicken for 3 days. For 3 days. Because at this point of their life, they will have access to it. They can just climb on it, eat easily without any stress. But after 3 days, I switch to this type of feeder. This is how it looks. Then once I clip it, I put the feed. Now they can put their head through these holes and eat effectively. But for me, I use this feeder for 3 good weeks. Once they are 3 weeks old, I change this type of feeder to this, because by the time they are 3 weeks, they are big enough. They will just disrupt it. They can climb on this, and before you know it, you are wasting your feet. Now, after 3 weeks of their life, This is the type of feeder I use for them. This one is much stronger, more firm. You can use it. So this one again is still a feeder. Now, what is life without water? This is a drinker. You fill it up with water, you close it, then you turn it this way. You drop it for them, then they have access to water. So this is a drinker. You need to get this for your backyard farming. Now, when you're thinking of having your backyard farming, yes, you need access to clean water system. Should need access to clean water system. You can see how it is. Clean water system is what you need for your chicken, because healthy water equals to healthy life. You don't give the water you cannot take to your chicken. I also mentioned you need sawdust. Video, I will be teaching you on the kind of feed and all the necessary things you still need for your backyard farming. This, your backyard. Thank you.